Hello YouTube, thanks for watching the channel. This video is all about the James River and the Richmond Fire Department and what they do to stay sharp. They practice on this river, going up and down the Hollywood Rapids. So let's jump into the video and see what they do. Enjoy. Playing the waiting game, waiting for some action. I thought I heard a boat, so I jumped on this log to try to find it. The roar of the water going over these rocks just makes it hard to hear. So I jumped back down, and lo and behold, as soon as I get back down, here comes the boat. The Richmond Fire Department, 3-man crew, decided to practice right in front of me on this wave. Do a dang good job. Okay guys, get ready. Oh yeah, get the weight on there. Oh yeah, they got this thing down. Look at that. Nice. The DIB inflatable with a Yamaha 70 horsepower jet drive. Wow, they make it look easy. Could have easily beached it or just flipped it. So last weekend I was flying from the same location, and this log right here that they're coming up on was completely dry on that rock. But today the river's super high, it's 9 feet above normal level, and they just beached it right there. And I decided to walk up the bank. Got this shot from the side of the bank, and you can see the rock that they're on, and I think they're trying to move on to the next location, and they're gonna have to push it off now. So they shifted weight and off they go to the next location. Yep, Hollywood Rapids. That's where they're going. To the fast, dangerous water. These are some brave men and women that do this job. Okay, I have one more battery on my Hubsan Zino, and I launch it, and I wanted to go straight across to the other side of the bank. There's a big cross at the Riverside Cemetery, and in the way there, I heard the motor again, and so I turned around, point the camera back down, and lo and behold, here comes the craft, the rescue craft. This one's different though. It only has 2 people in it. And again, they're gonna surf that wave right in front of me. Wow, look at that. Pushing it forward to balance it. Well done. Let off the gas, slide back down, tickle the gas a little bit. Just ride that wave. Ride the current, really. Wow, very skillful. You could easily make a mistake. Yep, and there I am. Okay, they're done with the wave. And they're going to head back down. gives me an opportunity to kind of fly over them and see what they're doing. while they're floating back down, it increased the speed of the video by 2 times. And I try to fly right over top of them. Oh yeah, the second boat is coming up. This is a 3-man crew boat, and it seems that the 3-man crew boat is giving instructions to the second boat there with a 2-man crew. And take note that the person on the bow is wearing a lime green dry suit, cold weather suit. And the person controlling the motor, or the captain of that boat, is wearing an orange dry suit. Wow, look at that, straight under me. Watch out, big rock. Good job. So I put the video in 2x again because they're just floating back down the river, and I'm going to track them. I've used up maybe about 8 minutes of battery, and I have another 8 minutes left. So I'm probably about a half a mile away from the location I'm standing, and I'm okay. This is where the action begins. Look at that boat. He just shoots all the way across. Man, that's going fast. Oh, big jump. Hang in there. And this drop that they're going to go down backwards, if you go down the wrong way, you're going to drop about 6 to 7 feet. But if you go down that chute, it's like a slide down. Okay, keep watching the boat, and you will see them switch who's driving the boat. So now the lime green cold weather suit is driving the boat, or is now the captain. Check this out though. This is what's coming up is really cool. Full speed ahead. Whoever's on the bow, you better be hanging on, because here comes the big jump. Here it goes. Bam! Bam! Tricky part now is trying to keep him in frame. Try not to mess up the shot. They're piloting that boat. Expert pilot right there. Well done. And I am tracking him just as well. Look at that. Amazing, isn't it? Bam. And there they go. Made that look easy. Yeah, they're probably doing about 15 to 25 here, depending on how much gas they're giving it, but they're definitely moving. And that's where I'm standing, right there. So I decided to track the lead boat, and he came to a complete stop right in front of me. And then the trailing boat came up, and they started chatting about what to do next. They gave me the opportunity to try to get over top of them and look straight down again. And it's not an easy thing to do, because you never know if they're going to move. And they did. And here they are. They are going to float back down some of these rapids, if I remember correctly. Yep, here they go. They go down the chute, it's like a slide. Okay. Watch out for that big rock again. Now check this out. This boat just gonna rip right through this. Wham! Second boat, their turn. And I happen to catch them right in the perfect spot, right above them. I was considering doing a 100-degree yaw right about now, but I decided against it. Let him just go right under me and then spin around and catch him again. I didn't realize this, but it was time for them to go home. And they're just cooking up the river, and it's my turn to try to play catch up here. So they're going to go through the second break in the dam. First boat goes around, and the second boat goes right through the rapids. Bam! Right there, my thumb slipped off one of the sticks, and it cost me to miss the shot, but I regained control, avoided the trees, and got this really cool shot. These guys are getting it. It is time to get back to where they're going, where they came from, I should say. And up in the left quadrant right there, there's another raft coming down. If you guys hung in there this long, thank you for watching. If you like the content, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you do. Thank you, Richmond Fire Department, for being so dedicated and keeping your skills up. Bye-bye.